Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install App Store on your Amazon Firestick device. By using this store, a user can download any third-party app of its choice and also update them within a few seconds. It is the best option for those who use third-party apps most of the times instead of using official apps. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, Fire TV, Firestick Lite and Fire TV Cube. Before we proceed to the installation section, we have to first turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, we are not able to install any third-party application on this Amazon Firestick device. So first of all, what you have to do, need to hold the remote home button for a few seconds, and here you will find four options. So you have to click on settings. After entering into settings, move forward and then open my Fire TV. Scroll down and open developer options. And here you will find two options. So scroll down, apps from unknown source, and press remote select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on. Now as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now we install any third party application that we want. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through downloader app, we install App Store on this Amazon Fire Stick device. So just over to search icon left side above the menu and type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, the suggestion list appear. So scroll down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, you just need to click on the download button and the downloader app will start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Just select open to launch. When you launch a downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. Now this is the home screen of downloader app that is only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, click on go button and it will connect into the server. After that, app store downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, it will show the installation section appear. So from here, click on the install button. And here as you can see, Aptoide TV has been installed on our Fire Stick. So just click on done button and delete backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete and again. After deleting backup file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button and here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps, and here you will find all apps that is installed on our Firestick. So scroll down and hover to Aptoide icon. Now here press remote select button to launch. Click on OK. When you launch this app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow. So guys, welcome to the Aptoide App Store. In this app, you will find all apps that you want. In the first row, you can see top app that contains app downloaded the most, even though it has some other menus as well, like new arrivals, streaming apps, free games, etc. You can also toggle from left menu where you can find discovered category, my apps, community and settings. So if you want to download apps from Aptoide, select any app which you want to download. Now here click on install button and the app downloaded and the app downloading start. It's depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, it will show the installation section automatically. So just select on install. And here as you can see, Disney Plus has been installed on our Fire Stick. So just click on done button. So you can use this method to install apps on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.